Shio Nagata, we are going to make an ice cream cone. So it's a composite, meaning we're putting things together. We're putting a composite volume of a cone and a sphere, and it will actually turn into half a sphere from what the exterior looks like. So we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to start with our cone. And let's go ahead and rotate this cone on it, invert it 180 degrees. And let's go ahead and change the paint color to a texture. And I've selected this kind of neutral color. And we're going to go ahead and apply it by clicking on it. And so that's our ice cream cone holder. So now let's go to, and we're going to go ahead and do a couple things. We're going to hollow the interior to save on printing costs, time. But when you find the volume, you'll find the volume of the whole thing. So there we go. Now we're going to also insert a sphere. So there's that sphere, and we're going to translate or slide that out of the way. And I believe it's the same diameter here. We do need to do several things. We're going to move this up, and notice I move it up to 40. I know this is 40 high. That's the standard build. So when I move the center of that sphere to 40, I know that that center lines up with this center. I'm going to go ahead and also go to the object or edit and hollow it out again. Same reasons as before. Save on some items. Great. And I believe we also want to split this in half, because that's, if we try and, let's look and see what happens. If we just slide it over, I'm going to move it forward. Notice what happens. Kind of looks like a golf ball sitting on a tee, but notice that there's parts sticking through. So we're going to need to take care of that. We're going to go ahead and slice this thing in half, and to do that we're going to use the edit split. So we're basically splitting that. We're going to keep the top, not the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and split. And let's change the paint color to something that we might want to eat here, to a you can do more colors, and it allows you to kind of pick different colors. So maybe we do get like a lime green kind of look here. So remember to click on it to actually change the color. Accept. And now we're going to see what happens when we slide this thing back over. Looking pretty good. Let's rotate around. It looks like it's hanging off the edge. We will need to slide that or translate it forward. Kind of clicks into place. And that looks really nice. So we've got half a sphere. The diameter is the same, of 40 millimeters. Now if we wanted to shrink this for printing, we would want to select all. Okay, so right now we're select all. We're going to go to dilate or scale. Allows us to shrink, and we're going to shrink it in proportion. So that's why I'm clicking this top corner, and we're shrinking it down to, let's say 20, let's say through 30, somewhere close to 30. All right, and we can print that. And that's it. Thank you guys. Ski.